Dr. Julian. Are we still on for tonight?
Wait, what? What?
You didn't know?
No! Me and Julian are together.
No, not this time.
You're both wrong. He's mine.
What?
Oh my God! Oh my gosh, Elaine, did you see the True Blood episode last night?
Oh my God, girl, yes. What is she gonna do about Eric?
I have no clue. I mean, if it was me, I'd pick Eric.
Oh, well,
forget
yeah.
Bill. We don't care about him.
Who cares about Warlow? Oh, what are they gonna do about?
That was absolutely ridiculous. They were so unprofessional. I'll tell you what, don't ever schedule him on my service again.
Yes, sir.
One. Transferring the patient.
Sorry, Bertha! That could never happen, guys.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me?